Welcome to a 123 Dream It video. For today's video, we're showing you the correct way of using a seam ripper. It's an essential tool that we sometimes don't use it as it should. So first of all, let's meet each part of this item. Here we have the long pointed side. On the center, we have the blade. And for the final part, we have the ball tip short side. Some of the seam rippers count with rip on the handle, so it's easier to remove thread residues. So the first step that we'll do is to start ripping with the long pointed side. Once you rip up some of the sewings, now work with the ball tip side, to the inside of the sewing. Hold firmly and keep pressing the sewings with the seam ripper. So you cut the thread continuously till the end. And best of all is that you cut the thread quickly without damaging the fabric. If you cut with the long pointed side to the inside of your fabric, you'll damage it. This seam ripper has soft silicone, which allows you to remove residues easily. If you don't have this one, you can use an eraser. Working correctly with the seam ripper will help you to finish your projects efficiently without damaging the fabric. And that's all. Thanks for watching this step-by-step tutorial. Remember to check out our official website, where you can find lots of sewing hacks, tutorials, and more.